In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to streamline your billing process, you're in the right place. Let's make the task of creating and sending an invoice quick and straightforward. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. If you're already signed in, you're a step ahead. Otherwise, click on the Sign In button, which you'll typically find in the upper right corner of the page. Once you click that, you'll be asked to select your version of QuickBooks. Make sure to choose QuickBooks Online to ensure you're accessing the correct system. Now, it's time to input your login credentials. This will usually be your email address and password, so go ahead and enter those, then click on Continue. If you're using a shared or public computer, remember to log out when you're done to keep your account secure. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, your next move is to locate a button labeled New, which is typically found at the top of the page. This button is your gateway to creating a variety of transactions within QuickBooks. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, search for and click on Invoice. Selecting this option will open a new draft where we'll start building our invoice. First, you'll see a section to add customer details. Identify the field where it prompts you to enter the customer information. In case you've already set up your contact list, QuickBooks will auto-suggest names as you type. Confirm the correct customer, and their details will automatically fill in. If it's a new customer, you'll need to enter their billing information manually, which QuickBooks will save for future use. Once the customer's details are set, it's time to add the product or service you're invoicing for. Look for the section where you can list products or services. Click into this field and you'll be able to either select from existing products or type in a new one. Include a brief description, the quantity and the price for each item. QuickBooks will calculate the total for you, which saves you a step in the invoicing process. With all the necessary details added correctly, it's time to send the invoice. Locate the Save and Send button, typically positioned somewhere at the bottom or top right of the invoice page. When you click this, QuickBooks will provide a preview of the invoice along with email options for sending it directly to your customer's inbox. Double check all the information to ensure accuracy before you click Send. And there you have it, you've successfully created and sent an invoice using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer or managing family finances, knowing how to efficiently use this feature will enhance your workflow and accuracy in accounting. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.